Hi everyone, this is Tewani, the author of JEE Advanced Maths books for Cengage Learning. Over past few years, JEE has clearly evolved. Questions are smarter, more value-based, often trick-oriented, but built on the same core concepts. That's exactly how we have designed our approach. Presenting the fourth edition of JEE Advanced Maths books by Cengage Learning. This isn't just an update, it is the most student-friendly powerhouse version ever. We know the struggle. Moving from basic concepts to JEE level mastery is a mountain to climb. That's why we have built a ladder, step by step, topic by topic, question by question. We have designed our this edition so that your prep stays consistent and unstoppable. Now let me tell you the features of this edition. The roadmap. Every book begins with a clear roadmap. It tells you what you will study and what you will achieve by the end. The prerequisites and the learning objectives. Before starting any chapter, there is always a question. Am I ready for this? Don't worry. Every chapter begins with scientifically designed prerequisites. Just check them, prepare them, and start the chapter fearlessly. Right after that, you will find learning objectives so that you are always clear about what you are expected to master. We have made the theory sharper, more relevant, and completely exam oriented. One of the features of Cengage books is every theory is followed by concept application exercise, having simple and fundamental questions, but this time in this edition with timer. So from day one you start building speed and time management. On demand we have brought back JEE Advanced level solve examples. You will find most important ones in the book and much larger collection on the Cengage digital app so that your practice never stops. The exercise section is carefully structured, topic wise, easy to tough, in which tough questions are clearly marked. So if you are targeting JEE main, then you can focus on fundamentals, and if you are aiming for JEE advanced, you can push your limits. We have also added many new slightly easier single correct questions to help build confidence and strong fundamentals. To keep you fully aligned with the latest pattern, we have updated all previous year's questions and added dedicated 2026 PYQ booklet. Plus continuous updates are available on the Cengage digital app. Now here comes a very big thing for you. These books are fully sufficient for JEE main and advanced. To make your prep even stronger, we are now giving a full syllabus video lecture program in this edition. Hundreds of hours, chapter wise and topic wise, where I personally teach you in every lecture. So I am with you all the time through both books and videos. Stuck anywhere? Switch to videos and learn instantly. So this isn't just a book, it is a complete learning system designed to support you at every step of your JEE preparation. This ultimate guide is available at all leading bookstores and online platforms. So grab your copy today and let's start preparing for JEE together.